I have a question for you. What's the happiest place on earth? Okay, just left California Adventure, headed over toward the DisneyLand side, which the Magical Kingdom. Of course, we have quite a line here today. Anyway, we'll get in sooner or later.
I can't believe it. That is...
Well, we're here at the Magic Kingdom, and I'm headed for Star Tours. Hopefully I can get in. My guess, it's going to be jam-packed, but we'll see. Just talked to a nice gentleman who works here. Fireworks is 8840, straight ahead of me over here. So hopefully we'll catch it.
I know. I didn't know.
Well, the line for Star Tours is very long, about an hour and 5-minute wait. I was told that the line probably will be shorter after the fireworks, so I'll go then. Buzz Lightyear is broken. Can't go there. Some of the nighttime view here. We're now in Adventureland trying to head for Indiana Jones. Hopefully I can get in. Nice gentleman back over that-a-way. They gave me a handwritten fast pass, so we'll see if it works and how fast it is. Anyway, I gotta go up and over a bridge here, which this looks like. Yeah, this looks like the way. Well, I got in. Fast pass seemed to be real fast. So we're walking through a maze of a tunnel here.
He's like, okay, go ahead. That's a little fire with the whole time. Yeah, I'm like, oh look, my friend is right there, like.
Very low light here. So I don't know how much is going to be coming out.
I can't believe she wanted something.
The future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny. No! Look into my eyes. Your destiny now lies beyond the vehicle.
Up to the left. You have a look. Yes.
Now, next time, you wear blindfolds, okay?
I captured it all. It's all very dark. We'll see what we can get. But anyway, it's quite an interesting ride. Okay, I was just advised by a nice park employee, try Thunder Mountain next, so that's where I'm headed. Up next, Disney fireworks.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, due to unforeseen circumstances, our fireworks spectacular, Remember, Dreams Come True, has been canceled. We apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused, and hope you enjoy the rest of being here at Disneyland.
Well, the only time I get down here, fireworks is canceled. So now we'll see if we can get into Star Wars or some of the other events or activities. Disneyland fireworks canceled due to tech reasons. Big long lines back there at Star Wars and the other exhibits. So we'll just have to come back another time. Anyway, I'm going to go home, or back to the hotel. First I'm going to have some dinner, because I'm hungry. Then I got a long drive back tomorrow. Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this channel. Hope to have more content up on a regular or semi-regular basis if I can. In the meantime, if you'd like to receive email notifications of future uploads to this channel, hit the subscribe button on top. It'd also be really nice if you can give me a thumbs up. There's information in the bottom bar below, including a link to my ham radio related video channel here on YouTube. In the meantime, till next time, have a nice day.